What's up guys, and welcome to a brand new video. It's Paddy Ecom here, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3 easiest way and fastest way as well to make money online from your home with pretty much $0 for budget. So what I'm going to do here in a second, I'm going to jump over to a computer. It's actually going to be a very simple video. There's 3 things I want to talk about, and the reason why I want to make this video is simply just because I know from experience, just in general, you all know this, most of you guys, there's a lot of people right now sitting at home and not actually doing anything, okay? So it's a great opportunity to actually go out there and to start your dream of maybe making money online. It doesn't have to be a full-time job. You may have in dreams of it becoming a full-time job, but it can simply be something that's going to support you right now while you don't have that much money because you maybe got laid off from your job, or it's something that you can now build upon. So when you start your job again, now you have a second form of income, and that eventually can take over, or that can simply just help you with your bills. So I think this is a video for everybody out there, depending on what, no matter what situation you're actually in. So right now we're gonna jump over to my computer and we are gonna look at these 3 simple things, which I have no question in my mind is gonna change a lot of you guys' life right now. Okay, so we're gonna try to make this setup work. So right now I got you guys filming me and I'm gonna record the screen. So the absolute first thing we wanna look at is actually Facebook. Now why is this Facebook? Well, it's actually Facebook Marketplace. So as you know, Facebook Marketplace is a place where you can simply just buy and sell things, just like Amazon, just like eBay, right? So the reason why I've taken Marketplace is because I have found from experience, and I've made some videos about this in the past, it's actually, for me personally, it's way easier to sell here or rather than if I'm trying on eBay or other places, because there's a lot of traffic on here absolutely every single day, and it kind of like puts it in the place where you're living in, right? So I have a lot of people who are interested in buying it because you are very close to each other. So how you will make money of this is very, very simple, because I know everybody got Facebook pretty much. Well, all of you have Facebook and all of you can go to Marketplace. I believe you could. I know there's some countries that don't have Marketplace, but I believe most guys will. So what you can simply do is that open Facebook up, click Marketplace. I'm not going to do it again here because then you're going to see my personal Facebook. And then you're simply just going to scroll down. Like we have something that's called top picks. We have furniture. We have electronics and computers. We have, I'm not going to try to pronounce that name again. We have some furniture, electronics again. Mobile phones, we got everything in here. So the first thing I actually want to look at, just for fun's sake, is actually there's a couple of wheels here. So if there's one thing that I want to purchase and try to sell is actually wheels, because what I have found is that a lot of guys is selling low. So simply just get rid of them. And now that we're getting into the summer, a lot of guys will also have wheels for the cars. So you can actually, what I've done so far, I've bought cheap wheels and I've cleaned them up, because a lot of people don't want to spend the time on that. Clean them up, and I've sold them further for a profit. So for example, these wheels right here, I can see there's some damage to them, as you can see down here, but it's still, like, these wheels look pretty expensive. So I am sure right now, this is in Danish crown, this is roughly $60 or something like that, okay, $65. So I'm pretty sure right now, simply just buying these for $65, not even trying to get the price down, which I will obviously. Clean them all up, because it only looks like it's at the surface. Clean them all up, and I'm simply just talking like water and soap. That's it. Clean them all up. If they need more in-depth work, I can do that, because then I know I will be able to sell them for that much more. But if I really don't feel like it, I can simply just clean these up, and I can guarantee you already now I can sell these for around 100 to 150. Okay, so that right there is already a profit on around 35 bucks. To the double, okay, to 35 to 60 to 70 bucks in profit just from purchasing and selling again. And you may be asking me right now, why would somebody pay more when they can get it for cheaper, right? Number one, I've found this deal, right? They have to find this before me. Number two, people will go for convenience, right? If it looks great, like if it's rushed and it's great photos I'm taking, everything looks awesome, obviously they just want to buy. It's just as much about impulse buying. Whereas they could also buy this, but then they also have to take out the time and clean them all of that. And most people just look for the convenience, and if everything looks great, they have no problem in purchasing when they know they're going to get a good deal and a good product instead of they not sure if the product is good enough. So that's the first thing I would do, is simply just to go to the app that we all have, which is Facebook, and simply just go to Marketplace. And trust me, it's way easier than you should think. Simply just go look through everything. If there's some niches or products that you have interest in, search on that in the search bracket up here. It's super easy, trust me. So that's the first thing. The next thing is something entirely different. It's actually using the website Fiverr.com. So a lot of you guys already know Fiverr. For the ones who don't, simply it's just a platform where you can upload your service. So that could be if you're creating logos, if you're creating YouTube thumbnails, if you're creating YouTube banners, if you can write an essay for somebody, if you can write copyright, if you can build a store, absolutely everything you could imagine that you can do as a freelancer job or just in general, you can put your service for sale up on Fiverr.com. There's also plenty of other platforms, but I believe Fiverr is the biggest one. Therefore, there's also a lot of traffic. There's also a lot of competition, but if you make sure you do a great job, whenever you get a guy who want to purchase you to do something, do a great job, they're going to give you a review. It's going to be easier to get jobs. So why I'm taking this? Well, again, it's simply, if you guys have a skill out there, it's totally for free to put up your service here, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Everything you're going to do is pretty much going to be from the comfort of your home. So everybody can really do this if you have some form of skill. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, Patrick, I don't really think I have that massive of a skill. Well, then I have an idea for you. So probably the most common thing here is going to be logos. It's going to be things like that. So maybe change it a little bit. So YouTube is growing. It's always been growing. A lot of things that people are looking for, that people are having trouble with, I know this from personal experience, is actually a YouTube banner. Because for some, the YouTube banner have to be in a specific size, and a lot of people simply just don't know how to put it in that specific size so people can actually see what's within your YouTube banner, right? But how can you do that then? Because trust me, people will buy things for this, right? All you have to do, open a new tab. You go to Canva.com. If you don't know, Canva is simply a place where you can make logos, you can make banners, you can make marketing content. It's simply just a place where you can make things, right? So what you simply do is that if you have an account, obviously, and you already know about it, simply just log in. But if you don't, create an account, get in that. It's totally for free. And now you can buy the premium package, which I have myself, but that's simply just because I make a lot of logos for my stores and for my client stores. So I've just purchased that. That's $12-13 a month. So it's super simple. And actually the main reason why I want it is because you can make a logo transparent, so you don't have the background. And trust me, it's so much worth it rather than the hurdle that you would normally do. So simply go onto here. You can actually literally, I know this is written in Danish, but you can literally pick something like it's a banner here, right? You can go in and they have made like the actual size for YouTube banner. Then all you have to do is click on that YouTube banner, put in the design that your client want, and that's it. So what you can do in the beginning, you can just make you can just make your own. You can maybe take like a YouTuber like Logan Paul, kind of like make something that will be for him. Put that up on your Fiverr platform where you promote this service, so they can see what you can actually do. Sell that for literally $5 or $10. People are purchasing this for $50, 40, 30, 20. Put it up for $5 to $10. Again, you don't like this is just an extra thing, and you want to get this going. I know $5 maybe doesn't sound as a lot, but if you get 10 orders, that's now $50, right? And that adds up. So go ahead, man, get at it and do it. This is absolutely a phenomenal thing to do. And trust me, a lot of people are making a full-time income on this. But with everything, don't expect all of these things I'm talking about right now to be something that's going to happen this quick and you're going to get money quick and all that. No, obviously, everything you do is going to take work. My clients know that as well. When they work with me, when it comes to dropshipping, it takes work to create something. But when you have the opportunity, and for example with me, you have all the information you need, if you then just put in the work, that's it. You have made it, right? So everything that's between from what you want is simply just put in the work. You're not just going to get free money. You're going to put in the work. So obviously you know this. So so far this is 2 absolutely phenomenal ways to make money online. I've been contemplating on putting in the last one, simply just because these 2 right here is more than enough. And the first one I'm talking about, the Facebook Marketplace, you can use that for absolutely everything. That can simply also just be going to garages, buying stuff, sell it on eBay, sell it on Amazon, and also sell it on Facebook Marketplace. So that kind of like goes hand in hand. So the last thing I actually want to mention, again, this is a totally extra one. So I'm not saying that this will be the absolute perfect for you, but I do believe this will be a great one for everybody out there. So yeah, welcome to my private, my petty ecom Instagram here. By the way, if you don't follow me, hop on and follow me. So let's get right to it. So how can you make money on Instagram? Well, you're now sitting at home. Maybe you don't have anything to do, or when you have done your things, you get quickly bored because we are in quarantine. We can't really go out and socialize that much. A great thing would be something to simply build an audience. So whether it comes to doing drop shipping, building a brand in general, whether it comes to maybe doing affiliate marketing where you promote another service for people and then you get a percentage of the purchase. No matter what, one of the best things you can do to this day right now, so you actually have something going, is to build the audience before you make the product. So in general, normally you make the product and then you do the audience and marketing. You also mainly do that with dropshipping simply just because you want to get things off the ground, and it works great. But if you can build an audience before you promote a product, you already have secured money and revenue because you already have an audience that's interested in purchasing. So I think my tip right here would be to pick something that you have first and foremost interest in. So pick any niche you are interested in. That could I don't know what that could be. That could be cooking. Okay, make an Instagram, brand it, make a logo, make on Canva.com, have the name on there. Build a beautiful Instagram and simply just post every single day. See if you can post like 5 times a day. Be very engaging, right? Go out there, like and comment on people's pictures. Follow a bunch of people every single day, at least 100 people every single day. Build up your audience, right? And then consistently do that for some time, for some weeks, for a week, for 2 weeks. You can also run some ads if you want, but right now we're talking free. So build that up, and then what you can do immediately as well, you don't have to build the audience, is if you have something you want to sell. That could be an affiliate link for a cooking book, or that can be that you create a Shopify store with dropshipping products that's about cooking in your home. You can link that in your bio, simply just have it there, maybe right here, get your free book down here, or get 50% off on our products down here, and just leave it at that. Don't have to do any Facebook marketing, and then keep doing what you're doing every single day. Post 5 times a day, following over 100 people, liking and commenting, being very heartwarming in the niche that you're in. Don't just follow car people now. Follow the people who's within the niche. In this case, is cooking niche. Keep on doing that, and trust me, within some days, within a week, you're now going to get a sale. And then we're going to get a sale here and there. And then we're going to get a sale here. Now you're going to start making some money. Okay, so my thing that I think I can say right now is these 3 things is for everybody to do out there for free, $0 down, right? You have the time. There's no excuse rather than the head that's up here that's trying to fuck you over. Trust me. Don't overdo it. Don't overcomplicate it. Simplify it and go out there and just try it out. Okay guys, so one thing I want you guys to promise me is now that you watch these 3 things that you can actually legitimately go out and make money on for the remainder of this week for free, is please, for the sake of God, go out there and actually do it. Don't just hit me with the like, don't just hit me with the comment. Go out there, do it. Now, I will take the like and I will take the comment because trust me, that means so much to me. But for my sake and for your own sake, go out there and do it. There's room for everybody out here. I don't just want to sit here alone. Go out there and do it, man. There's no excuse right now. Have fun with it. It's not a job. Have fun with it, right? If it turns to a job, that's just amazing. But still have fun with it, okay? So right now, if you're interested in learning more from me, go to my YouTube, hit the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. My Instagram is below as well, just saw it on the screen. Hit me up there, link up with me, I would love to talk to you. If you want to work one-on-one with me for 2 months, my mentorship spots are now open. Go down below, hit me up on Instagram. If I have WhatsApp number down there, hit me up there as well. And hopefully we can figure something out. On that, man, be great.